Hello, this is Dr. Jeremy St. John, and now we're still looking at the Electro-Poly example, and now I want to model this thing. So I have my objective function here in blue, and I've already set up the model because I, don't want to waste time with the video. I've set it up exactly like we did with the hot tub. I've got each decision variable in a different column. So I have model 1 make, model 2 make, model 3 make, and then I have model 1 buy, model 2 buy, and model 3 buy. So this make or buy problem, even though I only have 3 models, I need to have 6 decision variables because there's a different cost associated with each one. Each one is a different decision. So I have my decision variables together. That's very important. They're organized by column. I've got labels above them. And then below them, I have the cost coefficients. $50 is associated with model 1. M1, I put $83 with M2. In red there, those are just labels letting you know that's where the decision variable goes. And in reality, there are no formulas. There's nothing there. That's where Solver's going to put the ideal number to make or buy of each one. So in the box below, I've got in blue here, I've got the objective function. It's minimize 50 times M1 plus 83 times M2 plus 130 times M3 and so on. So if I want to do this, let's call this the objective function here. Let's put the formula in, equals 50 right here, B5 times M1. So I'm looking in the blue box. That's my math model. First I come up with my math model. Then it's very easy to do the formulas. Plus 83 times M2 plus 130 times M3 plus 61 times B1 and so on down the line. Let's just go ahead and do it. Plus this one times this one plus this one times that one. Now it's mad because I have these letters in there. Let me just put some numbers in real quick. Now Solver's going to put the numbers in, so whatever Solver puts will be in there. So there it is, 277 for that, just because I have numbers in there. Solver will put whatever numbers in there. But let me show you. This is actually, since I'm taking, these are actually two ranges here. The range of B4 to G4 in yellow. Those are my decision variables. And then the cost coefficients, which is the range of B5 to G5. And notice that they line up. The first position is associated of the first range is associated with the first position of the second range, and the second position of the first range is associated with the second position of the second range. So this is a sum product is what I want to use. Equals sum product, open parenthesis, give it the first range, B4 to G4, separate, put a comma, and then give the second range, B5 to G5, close parenthesis. Notice how I get the same number, so those are equivalent.